Here is a tutorial sheet on expanding and simplifying polynomial expressions. So let's review. Distributive property. If you multiply A with B plus C within brackets, then A gets multiplied with B, you get AB. Then you have to multiply A with C and you get AC. So A times B plus C in brackets is AB plus AC. This is called distributive property, right? Now, instead of A, we could have a factor, right? So here is another one. So A plus B within parenthesis times C plus D. Now here you will distribute A, multiply A with C plus D, and then multiply B with C plus D, as shown here, and add them up. So when you combine the like terms, you simplify the expression, right? So this part is expanding and this part is simplifying, combining like terms, correct? So we will do this polynomial expressions, expanding and simplification. Few examples are given here. And after that I'll have practice sheet, and after this sheet there will be a quiz which I'll just load and you try to solve that quiz. Okay, let's start with it. Question number 1, find the product. So product basically means kind of distributive property, correct? So here what are we going to do? We'll multiply 3 with 2x minus 5 each term. Do you understand? So how many terms do you expect? We expect 2 terms, right? And we get 3 times 2x, which is 6x, minus 3 times 5, which is 15, right? So at this stage, actually you can stop the video, do the calculations yourself, and then check your answers. So that ways you will ensure that you really understood, okay? Fine. Now let's do the second question, question 1b. Here, how many terms do you expect? When you multiply minus 5x with these, because minus is outside, all the signs will change, and there are 3 terms inside. So you'll ultimately get 3 terms. You'll get a trinomial, okay? Now let's do minus 5 times 2. So first you multiply the numbers themselves with the sign. You get minus 10. And x times x squared will be x cubed. 2 plus 1 power, right? Here plus times minus is minus. 5 times 3 is 15. And x times x is x squared. Minus times plus is minus, and 1 times anything is the same number. So let me write 5x. Well, that is the expanded form of this. We do not have any like terms, so it cannot be simplified further. Okay, you understand that concept, correct? Yes. Let's move on. Here we'll multiply this. So 2 times 2 is 4. And now variables, b squared times b is b cubed, c number variable as such, minus, because plus here, minus here, gives us minus, 5 times 2 is 10, and b squared, there's no b here, so it's just b squared, c times c is c squared. So that's what you get. So in the first set, what we found, that was a simple distributive property application, where you got you did the product and you got some form. We say sum, minus is also sum of a negative number, right? Therefore, we normally say sum form. And that was product form, correct? Kind of this one. You can also see this as factor of this, okay? We'll do factors in the next chapter. Now, question number 2, expand and simplify. Here, we are expecting some like terms. So if you get the like terms, you need to combine them, okay? So let's do it. 2 5x will be 10x minus 2 times 3 is 6 plus 5 times 2, 10x plus 5 times 3, 15. Do you observe some like terms? Yes, there are. We got 10x and 10x, correct? This can be combined and you get 20x. And here we have minus 6 and plus 15. So it will be what? 9, right? So you get 20x plus 9. Now, the answer could have been written as 9 plus 20x. But generally, we write polynomials with highest degree of x first and then in the decreasing order of the degree. It's always better to write in that form, right? In that case, you know what is the leading coefficient? The leading coefficient here is 20. The coefficient of variable with highest degree. And degree of this polynomial in this case is just 1. Okay, let's do the next one. So here we have negatives. When we multiply with negatives, signs change. So we get minus 3x plus 12 minus 10x minus 4. Again, let's combine the like terms. Minus 3x and minus 10x can be combined to give us minus 13x. And 12 minus 4 is plus 8. That's how you get it. So it's as simple as that. Now let me do expand and simplify question number 3 for you. I would like you to stop the video at this stage, do it yourself, and then check your answer. So here, what will you do? Let me explain you once. As we did earlier, we'll multiply a with this and then a with this. So let's do it. A times a is a square minus a times b is ab. And then we will do multiplication with b. ba. ba, we can write ba, but it's better to write ab. We already have one ab here. I'll write ab with positive sign. Why did I write ab not ba? Because you remember commutative law of multiplication. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 3 is also 12. Okay, so it doesn't matter. Now, minus b times plus b will give us minus b square. Okay. Now, do you see like terms? Minus ab and plus ab. When you add them, they become 0 and we get a square minus b square. This is very important formula which we will soon use in factoring. So we had sum of two numbers a and b and the difference of two numbers a minus b. When you multiply sum with difference, you get difference of squares. A square minus b square. Remember this. This is very useful. Now here we have a perfect square kind of a thing, right? A minus b whole square. What does that mean? It means we'll multiply a minus b with a minus b. Remember 7 square? 7 square means 7 times 7. So here also they work like normal numbers, right? Only thing is variables can have any number. They have more flexibility. So a minus b whole square can be written as a minus b times a minus b. And now we will expand it. So multiplying with a, we get a square minus ab, and then with minus b, we get minus ab, and minus times the minus is plus b square. And combining like terms minus ab will give us minus 2ab plus b square. This is also a very important formula. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Try out a plus b whole square. Okay, if you do that, you will get here plus sign, rest will be same. Now here are some practice problems for you. So you can expand and simplify. The practice problem can be copied from here. Here is the list, okay? Expand and simplify those problems. So that will help you to practice, correct? I hope you understand the distributive property. We have used commutative property by default at many times. When we say b times a, we are writing ab, not ba. Why? The like terms becomes obvious and becomes simpler for us to combine the like terms. Okay? Have a good look at these problems. They are similar kind as we did earlier. Correct? In case you have any difficulties, you can post and then we can discuss them further. Okay, I hope you understand. And now get on with the practice problems. Okay, thank you.